Okay, next we will continue on topic 4.2, which is classification of production. Okay, definition of production is the process of using the factors of production to produce goods and services. Also the transformation of inputs to become outputs. So daripada kita punya sumber-sumber yang ada tu, kita produce barang ataupun perkhidmatan. So daripada bahan mentah menjadi barang final goods. Okay, this is for classification of factors of production, which is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. We also covered these factors of production under topic 1, kalau ingat lagi. So, inputs, two types of input, which is fixed input ataupun fixed cost, and variable input ataupun variable cost. So, saya suka gunakan fixed cost and variable cost lah. So, cost tetap dan cost berubah. So, fixed input or fixed cost is an input whose quantity remains the same as output changes. So, even though your output equals to 100, even though your output increase from 100 to 1000, from 1000 to 1 million, the amount of fixed cost is also constant. For example, installment of machine, rent of buildings, some service contracts. So the amount of payment, the amount of cost is also same even though your quantity output increase or decrease, or even though your output equals to 0. For example, rent of building. Katalah you sewa bangunan kedai. So katalah bulan tu you tak ada production langsung, you tak ada buat sales langsung. So that you kena bayar amount of rent tu sama je. Katalah amount of rent tu adalah 1000 sebulan. Kalau lah production you hanya keluarkan 10 biji je. Kek contohnya. You kedai kek, you sewa bangunan tu 1000 sebulan. So you keluarkan 10 biji kek je. So you akan kena bayar amount of rent tu adalah 1000. Katalah bulan depan you keluarkan production sebanyak 1000 unit kek. So sama juga you akan bayar RM1000 juga untuk rent of building. So that is example of fixed cost. While variable cost is an input whose quantity can be changed as output changes. So when your output changes, the variable cost will also change. For example, utility bills, labor, wages and salaries. Contoh lain macam bahan mentah lah. You punya bahan mentah. So lagi banyak you punya production, lagi banyak you kena bayar utility bills, lagi banyak electricity bills yang akan terlibat, lagi banyak gaji pekerja yang akan terlibat. So dia berbeza dengan fixed cost. Fixed cost dia amount dia sama walaupun production you naik atau turun. Tapi variable cost dia akan meningkat as your output increase. So that's all for 4.